percussion of the lung. First of all, from the supraclavicularis, we need to do symmetrically on both sides. On the clavicle, in the first intercostal, and on the mid axillaris line, we need to do till ninth rib. On the back side, we need to do on the suprascapularis, on the scapula, interscapularis areas, and on the mid-scapularis line,
below scapula,
subscapula, till the ninth rib we need to do. These are all about the percussion of the lung, and now we will do auscultation of the lung. First on the supraclavicularis. Next on the first clavicle. Next first intercostal. Next second intercostal. Third intercostal space. Next we need to do on the mid and anterior axillary line. Next on the mid axillaris line. Next on the posterior axillary line. Next on the back side. On the suprascapularis fossa. Interscapular spaces. Scapular areas. And the subscapularis. We need to do till 9th rib. That's it. These are